How thick wheel spacers do I need?
BONOSS wheel spacers are safe and reliable for your Jeep. They affect performance positively and solve many problems to make your installation nice and easy. When choosing wheel spacers for Jeep, the stock wheels are already flush with the fenders. However, the overall look is not sporty enough. If you want the vehicle to be more aggressive, install wheel spacer to push the wheel outward can get a wider track. There's one thing we need to pay attention to when installing the bolt-on wheel spacers. If the thickness of the wheel spacer is less than the length of the standard stud, the wheel being used must allow for a small cavity in the wheel mounting pad. If using a wheel without a cavity, you need to shorten the standard studs or install thicker wheel spacers to let the studs won't exceed the height of the spacers. By increasing the track weight, these wheel spacers help your vehicle perform better on the road. In general, a wider track means more grip in almost every application. You will have a better experience when cornering. Additionally, installing wheel spacer increases the comfort of the passengers and creates more space between tires to accommodate more components.
For more information, please see the link down on the description. See you next time. Bye bye.